One day I was traveling in America, and this pastor in the church, he said to me, so what gifts do you operate in? He wanted me to tell him, I'm an evangelist, and many people get healed, delivered, and so on. I said to him, I operate in the gift of Jesus. What's the point if I tell you, I operate in prophecy, but somebody needs a miracle? Oops, I don't have that gift. Why don't you just be Jesus? Let somebody else recognize that in you because they see the fruit of that ministry, not because you have a business card. There are people who are pastors. They should not be pastoring. They should be encouraging brothers and sisters, but they should not be called a pastor. There are people who are called, they call themselves prophets. Now listen, we can all prophesy, but it doesn't mean we're all called prophets. We can all evangelize, but we're not all called evangelists. Paul says to Timothy, as a pastor, he says, do the work of an evangelist.